Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, April 25, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, April 25, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong April 25, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, April 25, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 24 million pesos, and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 31 million pesos for April 25, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, April 25, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.